เคแบตหมดแล้วมั้งขอบคุณมากครับทุกคนครับผม Good morning, my new friend, man, from Chonburi, and he's heading to my favorite place, Patalong, man. There's a little cruiser up in the back. He's gonna offer me coffee. We're gonna go get coffee. He's gonna make coffee. And then last night my stove broke, so I couldn't make ramen. I had a little hard time sleeping, not having a full stomach. So then what top gear? This is strong coffee. I love it. Where's Mr. Min? He said, oh shoot, I forgot my morning snack. Look at him. He's running back. And he's sharing everything, man, you know? That's how we do it, man. We just share stuff, man. We'll see you, buddy. Send Mr. Min off. He's heading to Patalong. That's gonna be a 10-hour ride, man. Let's go, Patalong. See ya!